I don't talk about it, not because it doesn't hurt. I just learned some kinds of pain don't get better with words. People ask how life's been. I say it's moving along. I don't tell them some nights still feel too long. I've gotten good at changing subjects, good at keeping it light. You never know by looking what I carry at night. I don't talk about it, but it's so